Concepcion Rayel, President of the Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society, or POGS.
Bright, cool, and pleasant morning to everyone. Please allow me to acknowledge the following dignitaries. Mayor Dr. Crislin Abadilla of Bana, Ilocos Norte, Councilor Charm Ferrer, Quezon City 1st District, Ms. Carmen Alste, Vice President of Cancer Coalition Philippines, Mr. Teodoro Padilla, Executive Director of PHOP, of course, my mentor, Dr. Lourdes Blanco Capito, an international awardee of the Asia-Oceania Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology, presidents of medical societies, dignitaries from government, representatives from private organizations, our international partners, NGOs and advocates, and members of the media. Welcome to this forum that focuses on one important topic: cervical cancer elimination. This is important because it is a preventable disease, but it takes away the lives of 12 Filipinas each day, leaving children without mothers, crippling families, and challenging government resources. Richer nations are looking at 2064 to eradicate the disease by heeding the call of the World Health Organization of 90% prevention through vaccination, 70% through screening with high-performance tests, and 90% treatment.